Alright, here we go. Let's move into math. So, before we went on our break, we were talking about graphs. We finished our fractions. We're done with that. We were talking about graphs. Who remembers the type of graph that we were working with, Braylee?
Picture graph.
Good. Thank you, Braylee. A picture graph. You are more than welcome to raise your hand so you can tell me because you did have the answer. Okay, we are working with picture graphs. So I'm going to do a quick review, and then we're going to talk about bar graphs. Okay? So the difference between a picture graph and a bar graph, I'm going to draw it on the board. You have your graph, blah, 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 all these are the numbers and information. You have pictures, but then you have bars. Okay? So I showed you the video I'm about to show you now last week. I'm going to show it to you again. Okay? Then we're going to move into our textbook. Okay? Our textbook's got a lot of great information. Ooh, they're cutting grass right outside our window.
I thought somebody was like blowing it. I thought that was a bee because it was.
I know.
I thought that was someone making noise and I was like, dang. That was kind of like, are you guys
Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back. After we're done with our textbook, we're going to do IXL, and then we're going to move into our math small groups. We only have 3 groups today, okay?
Why?
So, because everybody in Mason's group is out except Mason, so I just put Mason into another group.
No! Everybody is in Mason's group. What?
They're out. Like Cannon, Grayson, and Levi's all in his group, and none of them are.
Mom! Yeah, so I get to stay in my seat. No, can he join me?
I will let you know what group you're going to be in.
Please don't be in mine.
Alright, here we go. We're going to be nice. Our objective today, we're going to collect, organize, classify, and interpret data with multiple categories and draw a scaled picture graph and a scaled bar graph to represent the data. Okay? So this video I showed y'all last week. I know I do not hear talking while I'm talking. This video reviews picture graphs and bar graphs.
You moved the little picture. Oh, did someone eat grass? It smells like outside. I love it.
12 cat owners were asked, what color is your cat? Is it gray, brown, white, or black? They made a first draft of a bar graph, and that's what we're looking at.
No, I want it to be dog.
One axis on the graph shows the number of cats. The other axis
Stop, this
is
is
the
a
gray,
review. I don't need a
brown,
whole
white,
bunch
or
of
black.
talking.
And now we can compare each group of cats there, like the fact that there are 2 more gray cats than black. On a bar graph, the data there can be put together, taken apart or compared. Picture graphs can show the same data you see, except the pictures and the key. The safari guide was asked, where are the most giraffes? In the water, by the trees, or on the grass? He drew them up and drafted the picture graph, and that's what we're looking at. One axis on the graph shows the number of giraffes, the other tells us if they're in the water, by the trees, or on the grass. And now we can compare all the...
Alright, so, I'm not sure, something from asleep. So, look at this picture graph. This is what we did before. Remember, you used the candy hearts to make your own picture graph, okay? These are where all the giraffes are in the picture. There's some by the water, some by the trees, and on the grass. And remember, there's always a key that lets you know what each picture represents. So 1 giraffe equals, how many giraffes?
8.
Stop. Quit calling out and listen.
Or not.
The key, 1 giraffe equals 1
giraffe.
giraffe. Thank you. So how many giraffes are in the water?
5.
How many are by the
3.
trees?
2.
2 in the grass. Very good.
Can we keep it going?
Yes.
The tall giraffes there, and see there's 1 giraffe over the trees and on the grass. Picture graphs can show the same view you see.
Let's look at a bar graph showing all of the giraffes in the water, by the trees, or on the grass. And see that every time we craft any type of bar graph, we label the axes and write a title on each graph. And it shows us that in all, 10 giraffes are standing tall on a warm summer day in Senegal. Roaming the plains by calm seas, eating fruits, flowers, and leaves from different species of acacia trees.
On a bar graph, the data is there. Let me put together, taken out, not all compared. Picture graphs can show the same view you see.
So look at the difference. So these two graphs are showing the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Okay? This is a picture graph.
And that's a bar graph.
This is a bar graph. This is what we're going to work on today. Okay? Again, this says, where are the most giraffes? Number of giraffes. And these are the areas that they're at. Water, trees, and grass. So how many giraffes are at the water?
5.
How many are at the water here?
5.
Look over here. How many are at the trees? 3. How many are at the trees here?
3.
Good. Look over here. How many are at the grass? How many are at the grass here?
2.
Same thing, right?
Yes. Just that has colors and that one has animals.
What if
Yeah.
every giraffe was equal to 2 giraffes, and then the bar graph was only 1?
So they go together. They're going to go together. Whatever's going to show here is going to show over there.
Yeah,
So
but what
if
you make it
one-
wrong?
Then you make it wrong, and then we have to fix it,
And
right?
then you get it wrong.
Yeah. So then we'll have to fix it.
Except the pictures and
It's like a
the
guitar.
No, but rock. Yes, I
All right. So go back to your seat.
I'm gonna kick you to the
is really like.
Are we doing an over town?
Yes.
We are after we review our book. So everybody, open their textbooks to page 643. If you do not have it, run out and grab it.
Are we on page?
643.
I'm gonna swap the windows. I'm already on it. But I got the 63 is 643.
Are you ready? Alright, when you're on page 643, put your finger over your mouth to let me know you're ready. So are you ready? Are you going to follow my directions? So put your finger over your mouth. Trey, are you ready? So put your finger over your mouth.
I forgot I had it in my book.
You what?
I forgot I had it in my book.
When you are ready, put your finger over your mouth. We are on page 643. 643, love. Alright, I'm moving on. Okay, so let's look at the first page. Miss Rose is going to do this, and you can follow along.
What page are we on again?
643. So we're going to understand the data shown by a bar graph. Look at this Explore and Grow example. It says you surveyed 12 students about their favorite school club. The results are shown on the picture graph. Grab represent the same data on the bar graph. Okay? So right here, this is the picture graph. We are responsible for creating the bar graph. Okay? Now watch. This bar graph is going to go this way. The other ones we saw were going this way. Okay?
Oh,
So let me snip it real quick.
Snippy whippies.
I'm going to snip it so I can draw.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Nice to meet you.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
My friend.
I'm hungry.
Alright, so they surveyed 12 students. The 3 different school clubs are drama, math, and robotics.
I did it.
Each smiley face equals how many students?
2.
2. Very good. So equal 2. So let's look here. How many students enjoy drama?
What is drama?
4. Drama's like theater class. Acting, stuff like that.
Oh, I want to go to drama. Whatever it's called.
1, 2, 3, eyes on me. How many students enjoy drama? We have 2 smiley faces. Each smiley face equals how many students? 2. Good. So we have 2, 4. Good. So over here for drama, I'm going to draw myself. Why is it not working?
Do a self-portrait.
Oh,
I'm going to draw it.
again.
I'm not sure why it's doing that.
Well, then we can just do it. We already know what to
Yeah, y'all go ahead and do it. I'm going to see if I can do it with the mouse. Hold on.
I already did it. Why is it not touchscreen? It used to be touchscreen.
I'm not sure what's going on.
It used to be touchscreen.
Oh, there it goes. It works.
I have to do it with my mouse, so it's not the prettiest drawing, okay?
That's a self-portrait of you.
Alright, so look, I came all the way to 4. This is how yours should look.
I don't think that's how you look like in real
I can't see.
How many? Hold on, baby. I'm trying to zoom in, but this is not.
It's like you draw a squiggly line all the way to 4 or something.
Yeah, you just draw a little box. Here, I'll put it on the whiteboard.
I didn't know you were 4-dimensional.
Alright, here we go. I have my graph. I have drama.
And then you like draw a line.
I have math and robotics.
What are robots?
That's like a robot club, basically. Y'all, why is team 1 talking so much? If somebody is distracting you, we need to ignore them. If they're trying to argue with you, you don't argue back.
I've been reading more than
Okay? Drama, math, and robotics. Okay, and then we have 0, 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6,
4, 5, 6, 7.
Nobody's at 7.
Okay. And theirs has little lines going up, but Miss Rose is just gonna do it this way. So what it looks like, that red that I just did for drama, how many did you tell me? How many students like drama? 4. 4, good. So I'm gonna draw my little bar. I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna draw all the way to here. There's my bar for drama. And I'm gonna color mine in like that.
I call
Okay?
it mine.
Yep. How many students like math club?
2.
2. Good. So I'm going to come over here to 2. And I'm going to draw my little bar. Okay? I want y'all to take a moment.
Are you done recording?
No, I'm trying to angle it so they can see this. I want you to take a moment and I want you to try to figure out where your bar would go for robotics. Based on this picture graph we have right here, where would the bar go for our bar graph? If you have done it, give me a thumbs up. Very good. How many students like robotics club? 6. because one smiley face is 2 students, so we have 2, 4, 6. So I'm going to come all the way here to my 6, and I'm going to draw my little bar, and I'm going to color it in. And this is how yours should look. Hayden, yours does not look like mine. Fix it now. 0 works count. Let me see your pencil. You need to draw that. Alright, good. So, I don't know how there's talking while I'm helping a friend out. I'm sure y'all don't know either, huh? Let's look. My question is, how would you change the scale of the bar graph to match the picture graph? So the scale, that's down here. 0, 1, 2, 3. Well, I wanted to match the picture graph, right? How would I change it? What did the picture graph scale show?
The pictures.
Each smiley face equals 2 students. How would I change this? Who knows?
You change the way you would change it because you said they always go together. So, wait, does that mean they're going to go together or they're not?
Well, they go together now because I have 6 number of bodies here, but I have 6 number of bodies there. But how would I change the scale?
To make it look like that?
No, look like, but to represent the same thing.
But you can instead of having that, you could do like you could make like you could do that and then you could put like little X's. So erase this part and
Good. I see where you're going. That's a really good try. I want you to sit down, okay? Avery, what would I do?
Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6.
Very good. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I would only do evens. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Very good. Flip the page or look at the next page. This says a bar graph shows data using bars. The scale of a bar graph is the group of labels that shows the values at equally spaced grid lines. We are going to use this graph to answer the questions below. Alright, so let's look at our graph. It says 2016 Olympic gold medals. So are you here, honey? Okay, because I don't want to hear you say I didn't hear you because you're busy playing with your pencil. Okay? Alright, 2016 Olympic gold medals. These are the nations. What is that first nation?
Japan,
Good. What's the second one?
Italy,
What's the third one?
Jamaica,
What's the fourth one?
Sweden,
Good. Look at my scale. It goes up in what number increments?
4.
4. Good. I have 0, 4, 8, 12, and 16. So it says when a bar ends halfway between 2 grid lines, the data value for the bar is halfway between the 2 numbers on the scale. What does that mean? Look at the yellow bar. It ends right in the middle of 4 and 8. What do you think the
6.
answer would be? Very good, Max. 6. Thank you. So let's go down and answer some of these questions based on our scale. The first question, how many gold medals did Japan win? Japan won blank gold medals. Let's see. Japan, 4, 8, 12. Good. So right here, you're going to write 12. Right here.
How many gold medals did it's Japan? No, the next one is Japan just pan? Calm down. He tried to make Spain into a continent.
No, like Japan. Is it Japan?
It is Japan.
Does that mean it's made out of a man?
I am not Japan. You're right.
All right, everybody stop. Everybody eyes on me. Answer the next question. How many gold medals did Jamaica win? Answer this one on your own.
Oh, hold on.
Oh yeah, when it falls in the middle right there, that means you see how it has 4 and then it's 8. When it falls in the middle, what would the middle be? So you have 4 and then 8. Cut 4 in half. 2. Here, come over here, I'll show you. You run the bathroom, I'll show this. Alright, it says when a bar ends halfway between the 2 grid lines, the data value for the bar is halfway between the 2 numbers on the scale. So what was a number that would be halfway between 4 and 8? Very good.
Miss Rose.
Yes.
Hey, when it says, okay, this is just a random question, but when it says 20, does that, no, when you say 25, that reminds you of just to put a 2, 0, because that makes 20, and then just put 5 by it because that's 25.
Nadia, does that have something to do with this right now?
Well, I was kind of asking that question because I had that question.
Nope, not right now. All right, the next one. How many gold medals? Oh, just kidding. How many gold medals did Jamaica win? Answer that for me. 6. Good. The next one. Which country won the fewest gold medals?
Oh, Sweden.
Sweden. Very good. All right. We are going to stop right there, and we're going to move into our groups.
Can I get a drink for karate?
In just a few minutes, okay?
No,
Alright, so we're going to move into our groups.
Is it free time at 2 o'clock?
Let me see. I have a few more minutes left to record. Yep. Alright, so we're moving into groups. I know you hear me because you're not talking while I'm talking. We're going to do 3 different groups. The first group is going to be with me. We're going to do a group jam IXL. The second group is going to be an IXL independently. It is on Google Classroom. The third group is going to be the textbook homework practice. So before you put your textbooks away, you're going to work on the homework. It's hands-on. Paper copies. It's on page 647. So go ahead and move into the groups.
So do that.
My first group will be Kaden, Brayley, Coriana, Trey, and Alexa. My second group will be Zoe, Colin, Ben, Nadia, and Luke. My third group will be Avery, Colton, Bobby, Max, Ethan, and Mason.
I have a packet of my boards. I accidentally everybody but their body. Who is it?
As long as you get it done.
Max losing.
That's not in our book. It's too I'm no, because
I would count down from 5, and you are quiet. 4, and you are sitting. 3, and you are working. 2, and you are ready. 1, thank you. My group right here, we're going to do an IXL group jam. I'm going to start a jam. I know y'all aren't talking again. It's 6:47, honey. Where is my group jam?
oh shoot.
Honey, I know it's but I'm going to finish my video. Where is the group jam? Am I like losing it?
Miss Rose.
Really, wait. Kaden, Trey, and Alexa. Alright, my friends, go ahead and join enjoy my grape jam.
Miss Rose.
Hang on 1 second. Your math. Alright, pathology class. Are we all done? Pathology class learned how long some animals can hold their breath. This is the average ability to hold breath. On this side, you have the ability to hold breath in minutes. And these are the type of animals you have. A sperm whale, a beaver, and a Greenland whale. How long, my question is, how long can a Greenland whale hold its breath? Type in the minutes right there. Yes, baby. Yes.
Wait, I don't get this.
That's what I'm in this now.
What is the price of an apple? Is it 20? What is the average cost of a round of a gold in Arizona? So $80.
Aiden, are you answering, honey?
Miss Rose, I haven't gotten any wrong yet.
Very good. Okay, here we go. Look right here. How long can a Greenland whale hold its breath? Hayden, look, baby. We're going to go to the Greenland whale. We're going to go up to the line. Okay? And then we're going to go over. And it says he can hold his breath for 60 minutes. Okay? Let's do one more. The players on a quiz show receive the following scores. The graph title is Quiz Show Scores. On this side you have their scores. On the bottom you have their names. What is Olivia's score?
We did complete a test.
Hayden, answer baby. Good. Okay. Look, Levi, you are. Good to see you, buddy.
You didn't say no miracle?
Miracle's pretty cool, dude.
Do you know you
Alright, good. What was Olivia's score? My friends right here in this group. We're going to look at Olivia. Yep, her score was 10. Very good. Alright, my friends, go ahead and move to the next station. Do you want to join in? Okay. I want you to join me. You can join And we are quiet. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're ready to work. Yeah, Levi's there. You can get a stool bag.
Yeah, get it right up.
I have Levi. I have Avery. Yeah, he's gonna be ready. I don't know where your computer is. This Bobby didn't bring it. Go check, baby.
It's a 24. This one.
Ethan.
Yeah, I'm Eastern.
Who else am I missing?
I want to be called EJ. Where is it?
Max. Max, right here, right? Okay.
And you start the group, Tim.
I'm starting right now.
Do we get 10 points? Oh, yeah. Okay, who is a part of team? You don't know that? Bro, people think they can just predict the future. For me? Yeah.
Sit down.
Well, can you give me my results? Guys, I missed
Honey, I don't talk to you like that. Thank you.
You're the best.
Thank you, honey. Make the right choice, okay? Alright, my friends, this says a transportation company tracked the number of train tickets sold in the past 4 days.
It was 4.
Hold on. The train tickets sold is the title of our graph.
Everybody got it right.
Right here is days, number of tickets. We are waiting.
Levi and another person.
And Mason.
Oh. Party in the USA. After the trip camp, can I get dressed? Wait, Levi's not somewhere? No, I don't.
He's supposed to be standing there, but he had to go get his computer.
Get the party in the USA.
You're gonna do that now on my phone. You may have broke it. You do your best, but I don't know why you did that.
Because look what I hope he said he knew how to do it.
Well, why did you rip it out? Did I tell you to rip it out? Okay, put it back. Thank you. Go sit down. Alright, Mason. I was gonna say. She'll start with his clipboard. How many train tickets were sold on Wednesday? Very good. All of you got that correct. So I'm going to move on to a harder level. 40 tickets were sold.
Bro, the first question took like 40 minutes.
Alright, several students participated in the race. The title is called Race Results. You have time in minutes. Levi, baby, I want you to work on the ISO on the classroom, and then when I move the next one over here, I'll add it. Time in minutes and the runners. Which Okay, baby. Thank you. Which runner had the fastest time? There's 2 people in the top. But think about that. Read how many minutes it took.
I got it.
It took Brett 20 minutes to run a race. But it took Miranda, Lucy, and Brooke both 15 minutes to run a race.
Because Britt ran the fastest out of all of them.
Very good. All right, we're going to end this. My friends, let's go ahead and move. have Nadia, Zoe.
Wait, which one is it?
Hold on 1 second, I'll come help
Is
you.
it just your frosting?
Where is it? He is right. Did I look over? I'll let you the spin.
Courtney, that's not on it.
And then look.
The very top one? Yes. Which one is it?
Yeah, you can put it down here, pull it up, and let me help this friend pull it to the back, okay?
Oh, I have it.